Hey guys! Welcome back. So today we are going to test AI art. Let's get started. So as the first step, download the Discord app and create an account. So then go to Google and type Midjourney. Now click on Join the Beta. You will be redirected to Discord app. Then accept the invite. So this is the Midjourney channel. Now select a newbies channel from the newcomers section. This is the place where we are going to create art with AI. You can see how other users are doing their creations with Midjourney. Before you start writing prompts, read this user manual. The link is in the description. So let's do our first creation. First type the / and type imagine. You should type this at the beginning of every prompt. Then describe the image you want. Let's say, we want a lakeside. So I type, calm lakeside. Also I want a minimalist image, so I add a comma and type minimalist. Then send it. You can see, our image is processing. Wait until it finishes. Here is our image. So let's open it. We have 4D for an image. So you can choose an image and upscale it. Or you can make variations from a selected image. If all the images don't match with your choice, you can retry it. The second image is good for me. So I'm going to upscale it. To upscale the second image, I should click on U2. If you want to upscale the first, you should click on U1. Like that you can upscale the image you want. Let's click on U2. Here we go, the upscaled image. Let's open it and download it. So this is what we created within few minutes with few words. For me this looks incredible. So let's try another one. Type the / and imagine. Then describe the image we are going to create. Also I want this image to be upscaled lightly. So I type 2 hyphen marks and uplight. I want this image to be 3 to 4. So I type 2 hyphen marks and 3 to 4. These codes can be found in the user manual I remembered before. So let's send it. Here we go, the results. Unfortunately, the man is missing in all the images. But for me, these images are looking good. This time I want to upscale the second image. So let's click on YouTube. So this is the upscaled image. Also I want to create some variations of the first image. So I click on V1. Here we go, the variations. Now you can choose an image and upscale it. So these are the final results. Now you can see some other creations I did with Midjourney. Remember that Midjourney is not completely free of charge. They have given chance only to create 25 images. Then you should activate a subscription plan. With a premium plan, you can create your own room instead of using a newbie's public room. To get a premium plan, you can type the /mark and subscribe. Now you can click on Open Subscription page and get a premium plan. So we have come to the end of today's video. So until the next video, take care.